Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Sunlight can trigger sneezing because of a genetic trait called the photic sneeze reflex. Bright light overstimulates the optic nerve, which sits next to the trigeminal nerve controlling facial sensations and sneezing. This mix-up causes your brain to send a sneeze signal. Surprisingly, about 18 to 35% of people have this reflex.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.